Hey, I just glass beaded the customer's 401 nail heads. They produced this engine from 1959 to 1966. Look at how small the valves are. They look like nails. That's why they call them nail heads. If you're working on this old iron, after you clean it like I did, you gotta oil it. That metal's thirsty and it will rust. Happy Saturday! How are we doing today? Hey, I got guides and valves coming for those nail heads, so we're not gonna work on those today. Let's see what we got going on. We got a pair of 08 5.7 Hemi heads. This engine comes from the factory with cylinder deactivation. Let me show you what they're talking about. So as you can see here, this cylinder has deactivated. And so is this one. I don't think that's what the engineers at Chrysler had in mind. Hey, so they use a powdered metal seat and they fall out. And you get a little hot and falls out. I replaced them with high nickel chrome seats and they don't fall out. The factory knows it, but they kept using them. Hey, these heads are junk. I got them another set. So here we go. Got in these. I'll be replacing all the valve seats. The valve springs, because your valve springs will break on the Hemis too. The Hemi ain't a very good engine, guys. Sorry. Hey, let's grind these Hemi valves though. First I gotta clean them. There we go. That looks a lot better. Now let's make them shine. So here's my valve grinder. Turn that on. This turns the chuck on. The chuck comes on when I traverse over. And then I grind the butts of them over here. Let's butt them. Go. Minimal cleanup. Now let's grind the intakes. I grind the intakes first because they're softer and the exhausts are harder, so we get a better finish. I've already dressed the wheel with this diamond. It just runs across the stone here. Okay, here we go. Let's grind the exhaust. go, all ready to go in the heads. Hey, I mic and polish these stems for wear. That'll do it for this time around. Thanks for coming along, you guys. Hey, come back and see me tomorrow. I'll be down here doing something. I'm probably going to do some RE rods, all right? You guys have a good night and be nice to each other. Bye.